Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, first you have to understand that overall trend of natural gas. You can see if we go after 2023 that there is a continuous upside. Okay, and this upside is not as in like you have got insert in this way, but it was very slow, steady, as well as it made a high twice. Okay, a month's highs, you can say first 4.5, second was 3.6, and after that a profit booking has come. That is where the price was continuously moving down. And if you look at for this particular period, we have seen for 4 weeks there is a continuous fall. If you go for the 4th week, this particular week we have seen the upside, okay, where it has made a high. After that there is a continuous fall, and chances are very high that it can go further low because it has already break this particular support, as you can see looking at this particular chart, and a probability is high that it will come again in a zone of $3 and $2. Okay, this $3 and $2, why? Because it was moving for around 7 or 8 months in this particular zone. Okay, so chances can be high that it can move again further in this particular zone. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video, understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Now, see, there is a U pattern forming. So till the time if the price started sustaining above a level of 3.3, we can see there will be an upside. Okay, but if it started going below, so there is a higher chances if the price fall below a level of 2.4, we can see it will go below a level of $2 because there is an opposite pattern is forming. Okay, so chances of going further down we can see. So let's see if the price sustain this level. Probability of going further down is on higher side, but as I always have to explain you that if the price didn't expected what you have done, it didn't move as per what you have expected. So suppose it form a swing at this particular level, what we can see, it can go towards its next strong resistance at a level of $3.0765. If started going above that particular level, chances are very high it will go further upside, and a probability of touching a level of $3.3450. Okay, and once the price started sustaining above that particular level, it will cross a level of around $3.5. This $3.5 is already being tested, so chances of touching a level of around 3.6685 is there. This 3.866 is a half this zone. So once started going above this particular level, we will see it will go towards a level of around $3.9185. This $3.9185 is a half the zone, so chances of touching a level of 4.125 is there. And if it started going above this particular zone, a further upside we can see towards a level of $4.3460. Okay, and as soon as started going above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So once started going above this particular gap, a further upside we can see towards a level of 5.2, and then a further upside. It is always uncertain. Okay, so overall trend is downside for the natural gas. Okay, so probability of going further fall we can see. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, chances are very high that it can go towards its next support at a level of $2.9310. Okay, if it started going below this particular level, chances of going further low we can see towards a level of 2.6874. Okay, and once the price started falling below this particular level, chances of going towards a level of 2.5734 is there. And if it started going below this particular zone, we can see it will fall further low. It will fall further low, and a probability of going towards 2.4171 is there. Okay, and once started going below 2.4171, then a probability of touching a level of 2.3482 is there. And started going below this particular level, it will fall below a level of 2.0517. Okay, 2.0517 is already being tested, so chances are high it will go further down. So you have to remember that as soon as the price started falling below 2.4, chances of going further down we can see, and a probability of further low is there. Okay, so there are two probability. Overall trend is on the downside if we look at for 4 weeks, and a monthly wise if we look, then we can see it is moving in the same range. Okay, if it started crossing a level of 3.6, a further upside movement we can see, or even if it goes above a level of $3.3, a further upside movement we can see. But started falling below a level of 2.5, a further fall we can see, and a probability of moving further down is there. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. And remember, if you are trading with capital, you have to allocate that capital in amount of trade you are taking, and then take a risk of around 0.5 to 1%, whatever it is, like you are capable of doing, okay, so that it should not be a pressure for you to recover that amount if you are incurred a day loss. Okay, always try to, if you are gaining some profit on a particular day, try to take that profit for a day. Okay, otherwise what will happen, you will keep losing the money and the capital can be lost out. So always see, if you want to attend how to manage or maximize your profit, so you can attend my workshop, mail me, and then we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.